Are we ready? Now let's start filming.
Whenever your heart is broken, don't ever forget your golden.
Hello friends, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you're new here, my name is Justa and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for clicking today's video. I really do appreciate you all. So as you saw from the title, today I'm going to be showing you how I did box braid and I didn't do box braid on my hair. This is not box braid. If you've not seen this video, I will link it down in the description box below. Yeah, so today I will be showing you how I install my mom's hair. Yes, finally she like agreed to come to my YouTube channel and I'm really happy. And I'm just going to show you like how I installed her hair. And actually was like the first time me doing like box prints to someone else's hair. Please guys, watch till the end, support your girl, please. And also, don't skip what. Yes. So without any further ado, let's jump right into the video. Hi guys, so basically I'm just here to explain a few things. So let me just start with the product that I used to wash her hair. I started off washing her hair with Venus damage control, shampoo, conditioner and treatment. And then I know you have seen this treatment like many times if you are not new to my YouTube channel. And then I used mosara hydrating butter, and then I sealed the moisture with coconut oil. And then later on I blow dried her hair off camera, and then now we are here. So I started from like behind, now going towards the front. And then let me tell you one thing, I didn't think that it will be this hard. Like, it was a struggle. If I say it was a struggle, it was a struggle, I tell you. So basically this method is called rubber band method, box braid rubber band method. Yeah, box braid. Yeah, and I'm using rubber bands. So basically what I'm doing, I'm just sectioning her hair and then just tying it with a rubber band, and then using like her hair as the third leg, and then I just like secure the hair, and then I start like adding on braiding hair to the third leg, so that I can be able like to braid it like till the end. As you can see, I was like struggling, girls. I was really struggling. Oh my goodness, I was struggling. I was really struggling, but I like reduced the curl section of braiding hair that I was using. As you can see, it wasn't looking any cute, so I reduced it, and then I was able like to secure the hair properly. Yeah, to secure the hair properly. And by the way, my mom is not like doesn't have like natural hair. She is relaxed. Yes. And as you can see, why I colored my hair, because one thing, I don't know, I think she like made me like color my own hair. Yeah, so basically that's the process of like doing the box braid method. And guys, by the way, let me just shamelessly come here and tell you, please follow me on my Instagram page at justa_moora. Yeah, follow me there. There is where like I ask most question about YouTube. Like, we get to interact more with you people. Yeah, so follow me. And if you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button down below, and also the notification bell. It actually really supports me, so I'll really appreciate that. As you can see, I was just like adding the braiding hair to the third leg, and I was trying as much as possible to tuck in the dyed hair, but I tried I tried my best. But again, I'm not like a professional in like braiding like people's hair. Yeah, and by the way, I've done the exact hairstyle on my hair, so you can go and check it out. I'm going to link everything in the description box below, the videos that I've mentioned down in the description box below. Yeah, go and support me and share. So again, let me just show you properly so that you can understand, and you can also go and check how you can like braid your your friends hair, your girlfriend's hair, your auntie's hair, like your mom's hair. Also, like, also you can also braid your own hair. All, if you have a daughter, you can braid her hair. If you have any, you can just braid her hair, and you can start this like a business or something. Yeah, basically that. So I'm just taking like, actually let me just tell you this, the part that I was struggling a lot is just like finding the like the portion of hair that I'm going to like use for each section. That thing was a struggle. I don't know how people like, you know, like measure how much of hair like it's used for one small portion, but for me, girl, oh my man, it was a struggle, but I was really happy that I will manage to do. And again, like, just watch and see how I'm doing. Like, I'm trying to secure it. And funny thing is, this hairstyle is one of the hairstyle, if you don't like tight hairstyles, this is actually a perfect hairstyle that you can do, because you don't like put too much tension on your scalp, or to the scalp that the person who you're braiding her hair. Yeah, it's like easy, you'll sleep okay, you're going to have sweet dreams when you're with this hairstyle. Like, you're going to sleep like an angel. Yeah, and like the other method that you just like, you know, install it without using the rubber band. Yeah, you're going to take a while till you get used to that hairstyle. But as you can see, basically I'm just adding like more braiding here to the third leg, so that I can be able to like, you know, at the when I like finished her, like where her hair is up to, like, I don't know what to explain. Yeah, I'm just rambling, but just watch and you are going to understand. Yeah, just watch and follow everything. And again, guys, thank you so much for your support. Like, oh my god, thank you. I really do appreciate you all for subscribing, for liking my videos, for commenting, for sharing. Like, I love you all. Yeah, and continue like supporting me like that. Yeah, so as you can see, when I'm done like braiding to where her hair length is, like I can easily like, you know, continue braiding her hair. And as you can see, she got like tired. At this point she was tired, let me tell you, and she started like braiding her helping me to finish like where I hadn't where I left like the hair. So you're going to see the struggle. I think I took like 5 hours, I think, at most 5 hours. Yeah, 5 hours, I think so. Yeah, I can't remember, but it was 5 hours. Because this video, I can't remember, because this video I filmed it the day before Mother's Day of 2020, and that's when like Rona like hit happen. Like we were announced like Rona had like landed into Kenya. So yeah, so, and also the like salon and all had closed, so I needed to like, you know, try my best to, you know, make my mom look good. Yeah, so as you can see, like, she got tired and started sleeping. And yeah, so basically that. So like, share, comment and subscribe. Love you all. So thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget, like, thank you so much for like your support. I really do appreciate you. I don't take you for granted. I love you guys, I really do. And see you on the next one. Comment down below on what you think.